What is the significance? Akshaya Tritiya. Today is Akshaya Tritiya. Oh. Akshaya Tritiya. Imperishable Tritiya. Tritiya is Titi. The main content is the basis of everything is imperishable. That's what we have considered till now. Prakriti, the few things cannot exist without a substratum interwoven with that. Interwoven. It has become one. So, the one is perishable and changing, another is eternally unchanging. This gets exhausted and again it is cyclically maintained. Water is cycle, Prakriti is cycle, birth and death, vegetation is cycle. So by cycle it is maintained, but each thing, every moment it is perishing, perishable. It's perishing. This is imperishable. Akshaya. It is never going to exhaust or it is going to be affected by anything. This is constantly changing. The same. Grinding. This is Akshaya, unchangeable eternal reality. This is supposed to be brought to our awareness when we take up the festivals. How the festivals are designed on the things which are realizations of sages. We will take up in that. The Akshaya is imperishable. Akshaya, it is not going to perish any time. So, whatever you do on that day is supposed to be imperishable. Suppose you give some dana to somebody or buy some gold or something, you seek some prosperity. Whatever the evil is given up, Kshaya part is given up, Akshaya alone is whatever is good, done good. Whatever is free from evil and bad things, whatever good, noble things you do or possess or bring in your life, good qualities you bring, that is going to remain with you forever, and it will be the cause of making you land in that. We begin usually our temple openings or marriages, some things like that, auspicious things. Our Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission Training Center was started on Akshaya Tritiya day. We celebrate today in the training center. So like that, it is going to be, now when I give something to God, I am going to offer to God, then I will show this mudra, Dhenu mudra. Dhenu mudra showing, oh, I am going to give this, let it be with you forever. Means, Dhenu mudra, amritatva, amrita, it is not going to perish. Amrita, amrita means imperishable. So, that how to make, I am going to give donation to a ashrama. I give 10,000 and next day it is spent. It's gone. So what I do, it should not be spent, but it must be useful. I will give endowment. As long as the institution remains, the fund will remain there as endowment. They cannot spend that money, but they can utilize the interest. I am making endowments now. I buy gold on Akshaya Tritiya, it will become endowment. It will be with me. My prosperity, my spiritual life, and my service to the world. Goodness manifestation of the self. These things are brought to eternity through cycle, the imperishable cycle, by on Akshaya Tritiya day. That is the main thing, imperishable Akshaya.